IELTS community, welcome back to the channel. Guys, I'm back with another video for IELTS prediction. In this video, I'm going to provide you real exam insights and expected material that you can use for your preparation on 7th May IELTS exam. This video is made specifically for those of you who are appearing for academic and GT in computer-based test format. So watch this video till and you will definitely find a value out of it. Before we move on, guys, if you are looking for a platform which can help you practice for IELTS on computer, you can visit our website ielts1stopcpt.com. There are a couple of benefits that you will avail. First of all, what we have done is we have gathered almost all the reading and listenings available publicly across the globe and created our test using them, which gives you a chance to prepare in an exam like scenario, and that sometimes can also be very good for you, because if you're lucky you might end up getting the same passage in your exam as well. So it's not just what I'm saying. It has happened several times in the past as well. Like on 28th of March there were two sections which were repeated from our website. And then later on, like in the month of April, there were like 4 to 5 passages that repeated, which were reported to us. And not just this, like you will get a lot of other benefits as well, so do check that out. More on this later in this video. Let's move on to the prediction itself. For listening, expected question types are going to be form completion, note completion, matching, multiple choice, map, short answer questions. And if I talk about important sections for listening: travel insurance, eco farm tour, Roberts company, sailing courses, division wildlife park, patient record, campsite booking, Parkview Hotel, gamification in learning, Mona Island tour, research on absence from work, local museum visit. These are important sections. Again, these are also available on our website, so practice from there. Listening tips would be that you should stay focused throughout the listening. You should avoid getting distracted in between, especially in MCQ. Especially in MCQ, the speaker will try to manipulate you by making confused answers, but you should stay focused, because sometimes the answers are given at first and then they just talk about the same question. And sometimes what they do is like they will try to confuse you by giving the answer references of all the options that you have. You should stay focused for that as well. In case of reading prediction, I would highly recommend you guys to practice matching heading: true false not given, yes no not given, list of headings, and multiple choice questions. High probability passages are science of sleep, film noir, museum blockbuster, asteroids, Grimm's fairy tales, The Persuaders, Dirty River but Clean Water, The Study of Chimpanzee Culture, Marine Chronometer Invention, Evolution of the Tomato, Mission to Collect Materials on the Moon, Petrol Power and Eco Revolution. Moving on to the GT reading, public notices can be there in the section 1, workplace rules, tourist information, company manuals, and test 43 style passages. It means that the tests that are available on our website, uh, passages can be there similar to that. Reading tips would be to avoid wasting time on one question, especially in passages 3, like they are a bit tricky and lengthy. You should try to save time so that you can work on them in the last section. Moving on to the writing prediction, expected question types going to be agree or disagree or discuss both views. In case of academic task 1, line graph or bar chart can be there, or at very least there can be a table chart as well in some places. GT task 1 priority should be to formal letter or semi-formal letter, especially the ones which are related to complaint, request, or job application. Most expected task 2 topics are visible on your screen. They can be from some of these sections like online education, junk food related, technology, reducing communication, work life balance in office, public transport, or protecting the environment. So what we have done is we have gathered almost all the writing topics from across the globe and shared them on our Telegram group and on our website with sample answers. You can use them for your practice, because like there are almost like 80 to 90 topics in that, and if you just go through them once, you will have some idea. And the best part is, like, in exam they repeat like similar topics again and again, so you must check that out as well. Speaking prediction for 7 May. Part 1 can be related to work, study, hometown, technology, shopping, library, weather, health, or daily routine. Expected cue cards can be related to a person who gave you useful advice, a time you were stuck in traffic, a skill you want to learn, an interesting building in your area, a goal you achieved, a trip with a friend, a time you bought something useful, a change that improved your life, a famous person you admire, a time you helped someone. So that is it for this part of the video. For more such content, you can subscribe to the channel, and for helpful material, as I again repeat, you can visit our Telegram group. It is a place where students share their real exam writing topics, speaking topics, and exchange their ideas with each other. And we also share readings over there. And at the same time, if you're preparing for computer-based test, you can visit our website, that is IELTS1stopcbt.com. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Best wishes for your exam. Hope you guys get your desired band scores.